this is Camry USA. Today I'm gonna show you how to change air cabin filter. So why should we do that? If you see the dust like that, it's time to change it, especially if you have any allergy or something like that. So here's a new filter. This is serial number. I think it's not original, but it's pretty good quality. For 15,000 miles I would suggest you to change it every 15,000 miles. So I bought it on eBay for maybe 10 bucks. You can find it right there. So it's very easy, simple way. Everybody can do that. You don't need any special tools, just your hands, and that's it. So let's go. We just need to open this box, look inside, just push a little bit this and open, and right here put it over. Easy. Yep, here you go. Here's our old filter. It looks like that, and you just need to pull it over right here. Just this way and to the right, and that's it. Wow, look at that. It's too dirty. It doesn't matter which side, just here's up and here's up, and let's go. Yep. That's it. And that's it. So guys, it's not hard, right? Subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video.